Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Go on this side, open this part, and then get this center fold. Okay, and then this fold, you do it, and then we folded this inwards. Same step repeated, and as you can see, this is how it forms. Take it slightly inwards. This is the difficult step actually, but this needs to be done for our airplane to look really beautiful. See, this came out, so let's pull this inside. After the fold, you need to align these properly because some may not fold properly, some may fold properly, some may come out, some flaps may come out. So yeah, this is how it looks. This portion you don't need to care about, we'll be folding it, so I'll show it to you. Now this is done, both the wings are done. Now you turn around the page, you have this section over here, as you can see, and you have this. All you need to do is these two flaps, you need to fold it till the half. Won't fold, you need to keep some distance over here because these foldings will go inwards. Basically, I'll show it to you how they go inwards. Same on this side. Try to measure this and this, and then have a fold. Similarly on this side. Now you have this opening here. You need to fold these inwards like this. This is how it looks. If the fold doesn't go in, you can reduce this portion. No problem. Try to maintain symmetry. That's the main concern. Right? Now you fold this entire thing. Yes. Now fold this wing half, not half, but approximately this length. This length should be enough, I think. Yeah, this length. Make the same length fold on this side too. And then open this back, open this flap, fold it inwards, pack it. This is the wing of the plane. Similarly, we fold it. We open this bigger flap, fold it inwards, pack it. This is how it looks. You can fold it properly like this so that it stays like this. Now we'll do the tail portion. So for this, till this point you have this slant and this thing, right? So till this point you fold it downwards and then open it back and then flip it like this. To flip it upwards, let me try it out. Oh, okay, sorry, it's not this fold, but it should be this fold because we are flipping it upwards, right? So till this point you need to fold it like this. Really sorry. This is the fold, and then you open it back and then you can fold it upwards easily. Like this. Now you have these two edges, you need to fold it. Let's fold it this way first. Here, you need to fold this upwards slightly, not much, and these will be folded inside. Basically we fold it inwards, not inside but inwards. We'll open and fold it, so I'll show it to you how this looks. First you do it on both the sides like this, press it properly. Now we open this, or let's do this way first. After this, let's open this thing. Yeah, after this let's open this thing, and then you open these two flaps like this. And fold it backwards. Open this flap and then fold it backwards. Oops, sorry. Wait. Open this flap. Fold it backwards. Open this flap here. Wait, let me show it to you properly. I think it got messed up. Okay, let's start from here. So first fold, it was upwards like this. Then we folded this upwards. And now let's not do these folds now. Let's open this. So first you open it like this. Open this flap. Open this flap. Fold it. Like this and then fold it backwards. Similarly like this and fold it backwards. This is not yet open, so let me open this flap. Oops, this is messing it up. Let me do it properly like this and fold it backwards. So same way we do it on this side. Here, open this flap, press it, yeah, and then fold it like this. Yeah, this is proper now. This is how it looks with these flaps folding. Yeah, and then now we do this folds, which we already did properly, and then need to open this portion and press it inside like this. It went in. Similarly, we do it on this side. So let's hold it like this. You have this fold, open this, press it inwards, and then press it inwards and then fold it. These folds, sometimes they don't fold properly. Depends on the paper actually, which paper you pick. This is the chart paper which I'm using. Yeah, this is how it looks. It folded inside. Alright. Now, this portion, you need to fold it like this. Press it properly. Open it back. And then fold it like this. This is how it looks. And now you open these two flaps, fold it like this, and then try to make a triangle. Try to make a triangle like this. Like this, basically. This is how the tail part of the plane looks like. Press this properly for tight folds, and then you can arrange it. So yeah, this is how the tail portion of the plane looks like. Now we go towards the head. So for the head, we for the tail we fold it from this point, but for the head we don't fold from this. We fold from here, this portion, and we fold downwards like this. And then you open this flap and fold this downwards. This time it's downwards. So yeah, let's pick it from here. This is how it looks, and then you fold it inwards. Here, this portion and this portion. Oops, again, I think this got messed up. Let me do it again. So here, this portion, right? So fold it like this, tight fold, tight crease, and then fold it like this, downwards. Now you have these two. Now you fold it here, this portion, and you fold it over this portion. These two go in, like this, and then you have this flip, right? This inclined flip, and it's not straight, it's inclined flip. Just hold your remaining portion of the plane, press it, and then we open this portion here, fold this entire thing inwards. Adjust this portion properly so that this looks properly like a plane before folding this here, and then this goes inwards. This is the plane model, and now the final touch, we had this extra piece, right? So for this we cut and we put the what we call the fan of the plane, or whatever it is called as. For that you cut approximately, I think, 2 to 3 centimeters strip. This much is enough, but we fold it 2-3 times so that you have the thickness. This size is too big. Let's make even half. This I'm making it a lot thicker so that it suits the plane. Otherwise you can make it thinner as well. It's personal choice. Press it tightly, and then we cut it from the center. Then we just stick it below these two like this. Oops, I think they are not of same size. Oh yeah, let's first cut to same size. We stick it like this, and then this entire thing comes over here like this. So let me stick this and I'll show you the final model. So guys, this is the final vintage plane model. You can stick this in this way. You can stick it in any way, or if you don't want, you can also not stick it. Even this without the front profilers or profilers. So guys, this is a final model of vintage plane. I've sticked it like this. You can stick it, or if you want, you can also do it in your way. You can not stick it, even that is fine. It's up to your wish, but I like it this way. So yep, this is the final vintage plane model. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.